Welcome to the cutting-edge world of artificial intelligence, where machines learn to think several steps ahead. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of adversarial search, a cornerstone of AI that powers everything from your favorite chess engine to strategic decision-making in business and beyond. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of AI's strategic mind. Adversarial search is a method used in AI to make decisions in environments where entities compete against each other. It's like a high-stakes chess match where every move is calculated to secure victory over an opponent. This concept is not just limited to games but extends to any scenario requiring strategic decision-making against adversaries. At the heart of adversarial search is the Minimax algorithm, a strategy that minimizes the possible loss for a worst-case scenario. When an AI evaluates its moves, it thinks ahead about the outcomes, considering the best possible moves for its opponent. It's a dance of prediction and counter-prediction, ensuring the AI remains one step ahead. Beyond games, adversarial search principles guide AI in cybersecurity, to outmaneuver threats, in stock trading, to predict and react to market movements, and in autonomous driving, to navigate safely among human drivers. Each application showcases AI's ability to strategize in complex environments. However, adversarial search brings challenges, particularly in ensuring AI's decisions are ethical and aligned with human values. As AI becomes more prevalent, it's crucial to understand its decision-making process and ensure it benefits society as a whole. As we stand on the brink of a new era, adversarial search in AI continues to push the boundaries of what machines can achieve. From mastering ancient games to solving modern world problems, AI's strategic prowess is a testament to human ingenuity and a glimpse into the future of intelligent decision-making. Embrace the future with us. Dive deeper into the world of AI, explore its possibilities, and join the conversation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the marvels of artificial intelligence.